Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best lemon cake is probably one of the most delightful and refreshing dessert experiences you can have, offering a perfect balance of tart citrus and sweet, moist cake that's ideal for any occasion, from a casual afternoon treat to a celebratory gathering, making it a universally loved classic that never fails to impress with its vibrant flavor and comforting texture. Number 5. FYY Nintendo Switch Game Case Holder. Never worry about running out of space for your favorite games again. This case holds up to 24 game cards and an impressive 48 micro SD cards, ensuring all your adventures are ready to go. Designed for life on the move, its slim profile easily fits into any bag or pocket. Take your entire game library with you wherever you go, making it perfect for sharing with friends and family. Crafted with a durable hard shell and a soft silicone lining, it offers robust protection. Your precious game cards and micro SD cards will be kept safe and secure from damage. The integrated magnetic closure ensures your games stay put. With 6 powerful magnets, the case stays firmly shut, so you can travel without any fear of losing your game cards. Simple, lightweight, and incredibly practical, this is the ultimate accessory for any Nintendo Switch enthusiast. It makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion. What we like? This case offers an incredible amount of storage for all your game cards and micro SD cards. Its compact design makes it easy to slip into any bag or pocket. If you're a collector with a vast library of games or someone who frequently travels with their Switch, this is the perfect solution to keep everything organized and protected. What people say. This case is a huge improvement. It holds plenty of games and micro SD cards, all in one secure spot. The hard shell feels sturdy, and the soft silicone lining inside keeps the cartridges snug so they don't rattle around. I really like the magnetic closure. It's easy for him to open, but strong enough that it doesn't pop open accidentally. The compact size makes it easy for him to toss in his backpack without taking up much space. The case strikes the right balance between protection and convenience. The sturdy exterior shields the Nintendo Switch from any bumps or scratches, while the interior snugly holds the device in place. It's reassuring to know that his expensive games are secure, whether it's in the hands of an exuberant young gamer or safely tucked away. For gamers seeking a clean, compact, and protective way to carry up to 24 Switch, or Switch 2, game cards, this generic cartridge case is a solid choice. The combination of a rigid outer shell, silicone cushion, and magnetic closure offers dependable everyday use. Number 4. Lemon Cake, Nintendo Switch. Welcome to Lemon Cake, a delightful simulation game for the Nintendo Switch. Embark on a charming adventure where you'll manage your very own bakery. A friendly ghost is here to help you rebuild your bakery. Together, you'll bring this charming establishment back to life. Tend to your greenhouse, growing fresh fruits and caring for your animals. These ingredients will be essential for your delicious creations. Head to the kitchen to mix recipes and bake a variety of delightful pastries. The aroma of freshly baked goods will fill your virtual bakery. It's time to serve your customers. Offer them delicious coffee and sweet treats, making their day a little brighter. Discover new recipes and carefully select your daily menu. Manage your schedule effectively to prepare for the busy lunch rush. What we like? This game lets you rebuild a charming bakery with the help of a friendly ghost. You'll grow ingredients, bake delicious pastries, and serve customers. If you enjoy relaxing simulation games with a cute aesthetic and engaging management gameplay, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The game is a delightful and charming platformer with unique art style. Controls are tight and responsive, making gameplay feel fluid and enjoyable. Plenty of secrets and collectibles to discover, adding to the replayability. Number 3. Cozy Grove, Nintendo Switch. Are you looking for a gaming experience that's both cozy and a little bit spooky? Then this lo-fi endeavor is perfect for you, filled with charming haunted neighbors and a zest for life. As a spirit scout, your mission is to explore a haunted, ever-changing island forest every day. You'll uncover hidden secrets and help bring peace to the local spirits. With a bit of time and plenty of crafting, you can bring color and joy back to this magical place. Watch as the island transforms before your eyes. Each day offers new opportunities for exploration and discovery. Wander the woods, find what's hidden, and connect with the island's spectral inhabitants. Engage in crafting to restore vibrancy to the world. Your efforts will not only bring back color but also soothe the restless spirits, making the island a happier place. What we like. Experience a unique blend of cozy and slightly spooky on a haunted island. Each day brings new secrets to uncover and ghosts to help. If you're looking for a lo-fi, relaxing game with a charming art style and a focus on daily progression and discovery, this is the game for you. What people say. This is a great, very low-key resource management game that in a way, has no end. Once story mode is done, there are daily and seasonal events. It has a cute artistic style and a meaningful story. It's a super alternative option for people that want something similar yet different to Animal Crossing. Graphics are adorable. More than just a farming cozy game. Decently comparable to Animal Crossing. Your avatar becomes more customizable when your town expands more and adds more characters. Not difficult to make money here at all. I find it to be better than games like Animal Crossing or Story of Seasons simply because there is an end goal you are working towards, so it seems less endless and more completable. And it comes with stickers. Number 2. Cooking Mama, Cookstar Nintendo Switch. Get ready for a brand new culinary adventure. Cooking Mama, Cookstar has arrived, exclusively for your Nintendo Switch. We've introduced an exciting all-new vegetarian mode. Now you can explore delicious plant-based dishes like never before. With over 90 recipes to choose from, there's something for everyone. Enjoy both traditional favorites and exciting new vegetarian options. From timeless classics to whimsical new creations like unicorn food, your taste buds are in for a treat. Explore a wide variety of culinary delights. Experience the fun with a blend of traditional controls and engaging motion controls. It's easy to pick up and play for chefs of all levels. What we like. This title offers a huge selection of recipes, including a unique vegetarian mode. It combines classic cooking fun with new, exciting dishes. If you love cooking games and want a versatile experience with options for both traditional and motion controls, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The cooking minigames are engaging, easy to pick up, and perfect for players of all ages. I love how interactive it is. You really feel like you're preparing each dish step by step. The graphics are bright and colorful, and the variety of recipes keeps the gameplay fresh and exciting. It is in English, despite Mama occasionally using Japanese phrases, which if you like anime or Japanese-based games. The game itself runs great true to its franchise. No lagging or bugs I noticed so far. Number 1. Heave Standard, Nintendo Switch Digital Code. Get ready for a hilarious and chaotic adventure with Heave Standard. This digital code for Nintendo Switch is your ticket to unforgettable fun. Experience the unique physics-based gameplay on your Nintendo Switch. It's perfect for playing with friends, either locally or online. This is a digital code, meaning you can download and start playing immediately. No need to wait for shipping. Developed by Le Cartel and released in 2019, this game has brought joy to many players. Enjoy the creative and engaging world they've built. All rights are reserved, ensuring the integrity of this unique gaming experience. Dive in and enjoy the cooperative challenges that await you. What we like. This game focuses on chaotic, physics-based cooperative gameplay. The controls are simple, but the outcomes are hilariously unpredictable. If you're looking for a party game that guarantees laughter and requires teamwork, or lack thereof, with friends, this is an excellent choice for a fun, lighthearted experience. What people say. The digital code worked great to download the game. Super fun and easy for the littles to play. A game where the slower ones can be helped by the more advanced players. Love the cooperative mode on it. Try to get through simple levels while farting, falling, and messing up your friend's survival, or working together. It's a great all-ages game. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.